Guys, I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you this Lego fridge that I have built. So this is the handle. It's got a little lock thing on it. To get that off, open it up, and I put one of our yogurts in here. It's nice and cold, and when you turn this, that little fan spins and it makes it colder in there. But what makes it really cold in there, I'll put the yogurt back in there. I'll show you. The thing that makes it really cold is, just get this off. This is the inside. It has this ice right here. This is really cold. Just got it out of the freezer. And it goes in there. It makes it really cold in there. Plus the fan. It makes the yogurt really cold. And it works. So, that yogurt's getting pretty cold. Yeah. So, that's just what I wanted to show you. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Bye!